Hi guys, I have another viewer request. So these are option 1 and 2 that were in my community tab. These are the two photos that I did not do a tutorial on. So here is another version of the pop out effect that I used for these two. So if you want to watch, and come watch and enjoy, and here we go. So for the first one, I'm just going to go into my photos real quick and I'm going to go through my. You're still going to need the guy that's right here. He is man walking on the road under the sun. You'll need him for both of those. You're going to need to remove the background to get him. And then I used this one here, which is the, come on, baby, person riding a bicycle during a rainy day. And the other one I used was this beach one. And this beach one is the beautiful beach landscape. So those are the three photos that I used for this project. So I want to take this one and put it as the background. And I am going to take this one and I am going to shorten it up. And make it to, my goal was to kind of make it look like a door. So I wanted a door where he looked like he was walking out of a rainy day onto the beach. So I'm going to go into my uploads because I already have the guy somewhere in my uploads. Let's see if I can find him. There he is. And so what I want to do now is flip him so he looks like he's walking, change the size of him. So now I kind of wanted to make this kind of door looking. So I went into my start. If you know me and you've been around me enough, you know I'm going to use a black gradient rectangle. So I used one of these. I actually used three of these, honestly. So I used one of these here, and I brought it down like so to kind of make it look like it's coming in from a dark, dank day. And then I did one at the bottom to kind of see if I can make it more look like a door and him coming out of the door. And then I used another one up top. So those are the three that I used right there. And I did that to kind of make it look a little like gloomy, doomy, and coming out. So the other thing I did with this one was I went into my elements. I went and got a triangle like so. I want to turn it black because I kind of wanted to make like it, I don't know where I was going with this. I was trying to make it look sort of kind of like, I guess, like a portal, maybe, I don't know. So I took that. Let's see if it's lined up pretty good. Let's line it up a little bit better. Let's me use my arrow keys, and then we're going to go up a little bit. And then what I did is I took the transparency down so you could sort of kind of see the beach. And that's how I did that one. So pretty much that. And then I put a little saying over here, and you can make him as big as you want. You can also go into your edit image and come over here, use your shadows, give him a little curve or drop so he'll pop off the screen a little bit. And also, if you want to back him up a little bit, if you want to go in here and go to elements and get a shadow to put underneath its foot, if you don't like, you want a little bit more shadow, we go over here, use this little shadow right here, which is a drop shadow, make it small, put it under his little tootsie down here. Kind of make it look like he's got a little bit of a shadow under there. I mean, it's up to you. You are the artiste. So that's basically how I did that first one. The second one is, so now what we want to do is go back into our photos and go back to the pictures we used. So we just want to get the beach one right now. So what I want to do with the beach one is I want to take it and I want to make it look like a doorway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shorten that up some, and then I'm going to go over to my elements. I'm going to click out the shadow right here. I'm going to use my triangle. I am going to make it black. And what I'm going to do is I am going to skinny it right on up like so. And I'm going to angle it across the top. Let's skinny it up even more. Okay, let's make it a little bit fatter to cover that up. And let's go here. So what I want to, so my goal with this is I want to kind of put this on an angle and kind of make it look perspective. So once I got it where I want it to, I'm going to do that again on the bottom side and try to make it look like it's going this way. So it looks kind of like a doorway, like so. So you want to hit that corner and kind of make an angle. Now, how deep you want that angle is up to you. You can make it real deep, real shallow. It's up to you, however you want to do it. Personal preference. You are the designer. So you can make it just a little bit or a whole lot. So, and then what you're going to do after you've lined it up the way that you want it, the style that you want it, how deep you want it, that perspective looking, then what you're going to do is you're going to color this background black, and you're going to go and you're going to remove the background. Okay, so now I'm going to go and add a page here because we have already done that. So what I want to do now is go to my uploads because I've done this already. Remove the background on my thing. Let me go find it. And here it is. Here is my door. So what I did after that was I went and got the beach picture again. Let's go back into my photos, re-get the beach picture. And what I did is I wanted to have this. So I used this for the color and I made it big, dropped it down, made it big. And then what I did was edit the image. I went and I made it darker. So what I want to do is just take the brightness down and I want to darken it up so it kind of looks sad, I guess. So I duplicated this. And then what I want to do now is I want to take the bottom part off and I want to go and get the sky. So I'm getting the sky out of here. So let's take all this off. You can also do another photo of it if you want to and just do it that way. And then I put another one for the sky. And then what I did now, position, layers, I'm going to put that behind the ground. So now, and I want my doorway up front, like so. Come on. And then I want my door a little bit bigger. I want the door coming like here. I still want my door bigger. Like so. And then I went in here to my starred items. And I went here and I went and done this right here like so. And I put it right on the edge a little bit right here. Made it bigger. Got rid of some of the, took the transparency down because I wanted to kind of get it to, it looks almost like a corner of a photo. So I want to kind of make that beveled edge there. And as you can see, it's not perfect. Like I was experimenting with it. You can kind of tweak this a little bit if you want to, but I'm just showing you what I did. And then we go back into our uploads. We go find Dude Man again. Make him bigger. Boom, boom. We're going to flip him because he's walking the other way. And then he's walking into the beach. So, and you can also take this, make that bigger so it makes it look like he's really like walking into a doorway. Oh, let me get my shadow back. Hold on, let's get position because it's getting funny. And, get that there. And then you got Dude Man walking into the beach. Something similar to that, but that's that. And then I had my little saying there. So that is the two that I did. So I thank you for stopping by. I thank you for asking the question, and I hope I gave you enough information to make you get your design juices going and create something wonderful. And thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys. Bye.